seatbelt compartment. During takeoff and landing, remain seated with the back of the seat in an upright position, your tray table folded up, and your seatbelt fastened. Please keep your seatbelt buckled whenever the fasten seatbelt sign is illuminated. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the flat metal fitting into the buckle and pull the loose end of the strap. To release the seatbelt, lift the upper part of the buckle. We recommend keeping your seatbelt fastened at all times throughout the flight. Cellular phones and wireless transmission equipment can interfere with proper function of the aircraft systems, and their use is forbidden at all times during the flight. Portable computers and music players may be used during the flight, but must be turned off once the fasten seatbelt sign is illuminated before landing. Smoking is forbidden throughout the aircraft, including inside the lavatories, which are equipped with smoke detectors. Any passenger endangering the safety of the flight will be prosecuted in accordance with the law. Should a loss of cabin pressure occur during the flight, oxygen masks will be automatically released from the ceiling panels above you. In such a case, pull the mask down towards you, place it over your nose and mouth, and slip the elastic band around your head. Adjust the mask so that it fits tightly but comfortably, and breathe normally. The oxygen will continue to flow even when the bag is not inflated. If a child or other person requiring assistance is traveling with you, be sure to put on your own mask before assisting others. An inflatable life vest is located either under your seat or between two seats. If needed, remove the life vest from its storage location and tear open its packaging. Slip the vest over your head and fit your arms through the straps. Adjust the belt to size.
If vest straps are detached, connect the straps to the metal ring at the front of the life vest.
Once you reach the exit door of the plane, inflate the vest by pulling on the red tab. If the vest does not inflate, blow into the small tubes to inflate it. The vest is equipped with a flashlight and a whistle. Our plane has 8 exit doors, 2 doors at the front of the aircraft, 2 in the rear, and 4 window exits at the center of the plane above the wings. The exits are prominently marked. Please look around now to locate the exit closest to your seat, and remember that the nearest exit may be behind you. Emergency lights located on the floor of the cabin will guide you to the exit doors, which may be opened by a handle. Each door is equipped with an inflatable escape slide. In the event of an emergency landing, follow the crew's instructions and assume a braced seating position. Recommended positions as well as additional information may be found on the passenger safety instruction card in the seat pocket in front of you. Please take a moment to review it. On behalf of El Al, the captain and the crew, we wish you all a pleasant flight. El Al, it's not just an airline, it's Israel.